this standard is A standard. You have the white green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange. Then you have white brown. Alright, so with this one you have to cut, you actually have to be precise on how much wire to leave. Typically leave about maybe half an inch. So alright, so you see with this one is not coming out on the other side. And also, I don't have enough white. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I don't have this white casing halfway through, so I'm gonna have to cut these shorter so I can get it up in there. So that's what makes this one harder. Let's see, definitely want to get this. Alright, so let it focus here. So now you see this white, the white casing is far up enough, and now we can crimp it. And that's it. So that's how you crimp RJ45 ends.